Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are a streaming enthusiast looking to take your streaming experience to the next level, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into how to install Redbox on Amazon Firestick. It's allowing you to enjoy all your favorite sports, movies, TV shows, live TV channels and more. Whether you are new to Redbox or just need a refresher, this guide will cover everything. I'm going to walk you through step by step everything which you need to know. If you want to learn about this app, just sit right there. I'm about to show you how to do all of it. So don't skip the video. Most of us are only familiar with the applications which are available right on Amazon App Store, but this app is not like those. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video, so I can show you how you can put it on your device. Before we installing the app, I have got a fantastic tool for you to keep your online life secure. In today's digital age, your online privacy and security are more important than ever. That's where VPN comes in, and I highly recommend you NordVPN. NordVPN is a powerful tool designed to protect your online activities and keep your personal information safe. But NordVPN does more than just protect your data. It also helps you access content from around the world. Want to stream your favorite shows, access websites that are restricted in your country? NordVPN has you covered. Let's get NordVPN up and running on your Firestick so you can stream securely and privately. You can download it from the Amazon App Store. Search for NordVPN and download it. After installing, open the NordVPN. You will be prompted to log in your account. Click on it. Here you will see a screen said scan your QR code or enter code manually. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, I will get you one. Click on the link provided here in description below of this video. You will be directed to the NordVPN website where you can choose a plan that's best for your needs. After selecting a plan, NordVPN will email your unique username and password. Make sure to check your email for these details. Now return to the NordVPN app on your Firestick. Connect it with your QR code or enter manually code so you will be logged in. Once logged in, on the main screen slide to view country. This will display a list of available servers. If you are unsure which server to choose, select optimal location at the top. NordVPN will automatically pick the best server for you. Click quick connect and wait a few moments. Once the country lights up in green, you are connected and ready to go. With NordVPN active, you can stream any apps safely and securely. I have got a special link in description below for you guys. Using it gets you a great deal and helps support the channel. Okay guys, let's move on our app. First thing, let's navigate to the search function on your Firestick. From your Firestick home screen, use your remote to select the search icon in the top left corner. It looks like a magnifying glass. Now that we have to do is click on that magnifying glass and look for one app. That's going to take us exactly where we need to go. Click down in the search bar right here, click the center button. It will bring up a keypad and then allow us to type out what we want. I wanted to download an application called Downloader. I will go through on the screen as I spell it. Now I only have to enter very first letter D. You don't need to type out whole word because it appears right there on the list below. And you have to do is slide down and select Downloader. Click on center button of your remote and it will take you right to on this orange app. Alright, let's go ahead and click on it. It will give us the option to download or get this on device. Click the center button and the downloading process will begin. Give it a few seconds to finish installing, and when it's done, it will say open that. Let you know that everything is finished. But we don't have to open it now because we have to do some settings. So press the home button, scroll right to go to settings. And you will see menu pop up on the bottom. So what we need to do is come down here and click on My Fire TV. Now right here you will notice I have about and developer option on my device. If for some reason that you don't have developer option on your device, no worries. Just click on the about section and you will find the Fire TV stick there. Okay, now you have to do is click 7 times on Fire TV stick with your remote center button. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you done it, you will have a little pop-up that says you are now have a developer option. And then click the back button and you will see developer option available for you. So what we want to do is together click on to developer options. Scroll down and click on install unknown source apps. Here you will see downloader app is currently off. Click on the center button one time and turn it on just like that. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and click on the home button. Because now we have to do is launch our downloader app. Get to all of your apps, you simply slide over and click on that key right there. And then it will bring up all of your application on your device whenever you download. It always goes to very bottom. So let's go ahead and scroll to the bottom. As you can see, very last app is downloader. Let's open it. And guys, welcome to the downloader app. You will be welcomed with this, just click OK. Downloader is an application that allows you to go on the internet to almost any website that you would like to visit. Now you need to do is push up your remote and click on the center button. Again, it's going to bring up a keypad allowing you to type out whatever the address that we are looking for. Type here the URL link of our Redbox app. After typing URL link, click on Go button. Then a page will appear. Scroll down and click on Redbox TV APK. Again, scroll to the download file and select first file, which is updated version. And it will connect to the server and downloading will be start. When the downloading is complete, a page will appear asking you to install the app. Select install. Once the installation is finished, click on done button and delete the backup file to free up space. Select delete for the installation files and confirm to delete. With Redbox app, you can enjoy all your favorite movies, sports, TV shows and much more. The Redbox TV app is a leading online streaming application that allows users to watch live TV channels from around the world, enjoying their favorite content without any cost. This streaming app provides over 1000 HD TV channels, all accessible without the need of subscription, as everything is unlimited and free. The Redbox app enables users to watch channels from various countries, such as the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, and more. Keeping users updated is just a click away with this diverse range of international channels. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon. Your support helps me to continue creating valuable content for you. Thank you for watching along, and I hope you will enjoy all your fantastic entertainment options available in your app.